PJ, I know some junior golfers that'll hit this 8 iron further than you do. Now, there is no reason for you with big guns like this and an athletic move like you have that this ball should be going 135 yards. I know it's going 135 because I can see it on the screen, and I know it's 8 iron because you're spinning it at about 8,000 reps. Now, the reason why this golf ball is not going where you want it to go or as far as you want it to go, it is because you look like you are chopping wood. This club is being picked up straight away. You've got no hip turn and your upper body is not turning at all. That is getting your hands working very vertical and high where you don't have any hand depth, and your right elbow is going very internal. From this front on view, your lower body is doing absolutely nothing. When you get to the top of the backswing, your hips have only turned open about 5 degrees, and the shoulders of yours are not anywhere close to 90 degrees. PJ, the first thing I want you to do is to go grab a club and put it straight into your belt. You are going to grip the club just under the grip, and then this is going to train you to start your swing with your right hip. I want you to feel like your hands stay straight in front of your belt, and you can see that my hands are working in and around my turn, and I'm not picking this club straight up like you do. You can see the club works perfectly back on the plane, and once we get that first part of your swing to work your hands a little bit deeper and the hip to open up, I want you to jump into this drill. You are going to take an alignment stick and put it in between your feet, between your right heel and your left toe, and then I want you to put an alignment stick in between your belt loops. The goal for you is to turn this yellow alignment stick more than the one that's on the ground. This will get your lower body to turn open at least 45 degrees and your upper body to get to at least 90 degrees. You can see this gets me into a position where my hands are nice and wide away from my head, where you can see I'm keeping all of this width over here, and this is getting me into a very athletic position to bring down all of this power onto the golf ball, and you will gain at least an extra 20 yards with that 8 iron of yours. If you're watching this and you would like a free review of your golf swing, comment "pick me" and I'll send you a DM.